Hey, good day to everybody. Today I have some exciting and Trumpish things to share with you. Welcome back. Let's dive into the world of politics and the stock market here. We're going to review how politics sometimes can affect different stock prices. And today we have some thrilling news and developments in the world of the stock market and the politics that might affect the stock price of DWAC moving forward. So if you're new here, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button if at the end of the video you find some value, and maybe the like button as well. So let's just dive into this video. We got the Trump media DWAC stock, which soared over 208% over the last week or so. It was crazy move because of different things. You can see a daily chart here of when it actually started trading years ago with a high of 175, and here it went to a high of somewhat $60 over the last trading session, right? There are a couple of things that happened for the price of this one to skyrocket again. You can see how it was hovering around the same area here, and it developed a price channel that was this range for the longest time. We're going to pull a little closer, and I'm going to give you some details as to why this thing happened, right? DWAC shares have more than tripled in a record of 7 days of trading. It had a winning streak like somewhat unprecedented since it started. Okay, the surge is linked to Donald Trump's advancement in the Republican Party. Yesterday was the primaries in New Hampshire, and Donald Trump is a little closer to getting the nomination for the Republicans to run as a president of the nation again. So just before the New Hampshire primary, which was yesterday, DWAC stock rose by 4.9%, hitting the highest close since April 2022. The trading volume of this company skyrocketed to 22.7 million shares, a significant jump compared to the 30-day average of 2.4 million shares. The stock experienced a notably volatility, hitting a low of $40.13 and a high of $58.72 within the same day. As you can see here, it has this doji candle because we had a little bit of indecision. In fact, I can show you here the intraday pattern of what happened yesterday. Let's get a little closer, and you can see here, if you look at this area, how this thing actually held this trend here. But now let us go back to the video. All right, we got daily chart here. So this stock skyrocketed, somewhat impressive, I will say, 208% during the 7-day streak, making a historic milestone since it began trading in September 2021. This includes a 29% jump after Trump's win in Iowa and an 88.4% surge after Ronda Santz dropped out, which you guys probably know already that he endorsed Donald Trump. So because the market is reacting as if he's really closer to the nomination, I think that the price of his company and whatever he's affiliated with, the Truth Social, is actually pushing higher. The merger between Digital World and Trump Media, announced in October 2021, is set to be completed in the first quarter 2021. However, it has faced delays, including fraud charges against Digital World and the need for financial restatements. Okay, so we're gonna be keeping an eye on what is going to happen over the next couple of days. But this is being happening that somewhat Trumpish event, and some of the CEOs of Wall Street CEOs have been somewhat coming out saying, okay, he was not doing so bad, he did this good, he did this bad. And because they are thinking that there's a possibility he can get the nomination, well, then the market is factoring in all of these things. With the next primaries in Nevada and South Carolina approaching, the dynamics of DWACs or DWAC stock could actually shift. We never know what can happen, right? If Trump secures a win in New Hampshire, which he already did yesterday, it might all but look up the nomination, right? Potentially impacting the stock's future movements. So in closing, that's the information I wanted to really share with you. A roller coaster events impacting to our stock over the last 7 days. As you see, massive push up, massive move to have this crazy spike after breaking this consolidation and actually pushing and breaking out of the previous highs of this one candle, which was around 25.85. You can see how it hovered around that area over here, and then it just skyrocketed, right, breaking the previous high. So if you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more market insights, and until the next one, happy trading, guys.